Twin, man. Free Quan. Free Bobo. Took a couple trips, now my bands come faster. You say you a ghost, little nigga, you like Casper. Call me Michael Myers, cause yo bitch, I'm a stabber. Go ahead and trip to my clip like the leg. Niggas love talking all that foul shit, wild shit. Never caught a body, but be talking like they drop shit. Chinese nigga, eating niggas with the chopstick. Compact 40, but my chop look like a mop stick. I'm from the road, raised hell on that bitch. We got it locked up, can't catch a sale on that bitch. Hit his ass up top, ring his bail in that bitch. The scam slow down, we bringing bells in that bitch. Get it in on the first, set plays on the second, throw it in on the third. The fourth we gon' fetch it. I ain't talking makeup, all you bitches getting touched up. Hang around all robbers, nigga put them buffs up. Y'all niggas killers while your ops still living. A nigga want some problems, I ain't high, come and get it. Yo man tryna cop, tell his ass come and get it. Cause I'm posted with a bad bitch, chains on chillin'. Couple dollars make these hoes go off. Bitch get off my damn face with them thick ass brows. Eyes low, I can't focus, so I'm shooting in the crowd. Everybody getting hit, I'm even shooting at your child. I'm a humble nigga, but don't play me like a dummy nigga. Yeah, it's land like that. No, I can't crush you niggas. Cause if you tryna run, I'ma hunt you niggas. Clean up exit 9, I just bust you niggas. Relationship goals, I'm waiting on the road. Get off your man's couch and go get it on your own. Getting hot with no cheese, like that shit all good. You ain't drop no chick, why you tryna hit this wood? Back to your hoes, and I just hit them with their sick face. You lying on these tracks, I am not playing your mixtape. Bitch got a job, now she thinks she the shit. Couple years back, she was sucking dick for a fit. You spend it on that bitch, what you know about a bubble? You eating off your mans, what you know about a hustle? I'm deep in this shit, Craig Daddy on Friday. Straight drop, no hit, yo bitch looking at me sideways. Well, you can't compete when you niggas don't compare. If you ain't gon' speak up, ain't no point for you to stare. Say you got some real niggas, I'm just looking like where. Say you got a thick bitch, that bitch shaped like a pear. Get it in on the first, set plays on the second. Get it in on the first, set plays on the second. Get it in on the first, set plays on the second. Get it in on the first, set plays on the second. Throw it in on the third, the fourth we gon' fetch it. I ain't talking makeup, all you bitches getting touched up. Hang around all robbers, nigga put them buffs up. Hang